Hi everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the navigation button settings of your device Infinix Hot 20. So if you want to learn about the back button gesture settings of your device Infinix Hot 20, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn all about the navigation button or back button settings of your device Infinix Hot 20.